Got an unboxing for you on the DJI Flip. This isn't a scent product, this is something which I picked up. Eventually I will be doing a review, but I wanted to do just a quick unboxing for you first. Worth pointing out, this is just the basic bundle. It's not the Fly More or the additional controller. Price is around about $4.50 on this. You do get quite a bit of documentation with this, including these stickers. I don't know if anybody actually uses them. I don't have much interest in them. It is worth looking at the quick start guide and checking out just to see what the regulations are in your region. You do get some spare propellers, but one of the reasons I went for this particular model is the fact that we do have the guards all around the propellers. RC N3 remote controller is in the standard package. You just slot your phone into this. It is possible to control the drone via the app on the phone without putting it into the controller. You also got a button on the drone where you can do some pre-programmed quick shots or creative shots. The controllers are quite ergonomic with these drones. This one is, I think it's around about $120 if you bought it separately. There is a dedicated remote that they do with a built-in screen, but obviously that puts the price up quite a bit. If you find buttons getting in the way, just reverse the phone around. Have the buttons on the bottom. The USB-C to C is already in the top, so you can just pull that out and connect it to the phone. A double press and hold to turn on and off with this controller. That's something which will probably catch you out. Of course, this is so that you don't accidentally turn it off when you're out flying your drone. You also get a USB-C to Lightning cable, and they provide a USB-C to C cable, as well as this mini screwdriver which you can use to replace the propellers. Open up the bag with the drone in it now. They have pretty nice bags, DJI, has to be said. Nice quality packaging overall, although it doesn't really matter. As usual with most of the smaller DJI drones, we're under the 250 grams weight. There's your battery level indicator. It's worth picking up a spare for this if you can, because obviously you'll be out of action if you're charging the battery. I do like the flip out design on the drone, although it isn't the smallest when you collapse it down. The propeller guards were a pretty important feature for me. I found it a more attractive option versus the Mini 4K, although that is a pretty good deal with the Fly More bundle in terms of price. You have a button on the side, you can use that for your quick shots, micro SD card slot and your USB-C. There are some third-party chargers out I can see, but I did pick up the DJI one, so I will be doing a video on that later on. Take off the protector for the gimbal, and there's also another one, a rubber protector for the camera. There's another reason why I was looking at the Flip, and that was the cost overall with that sensor and camera. This is the same sensor as the Mini 4 Pro, and it also has that front sensor as well. The Mini 4 Pro has more sensors, but it's also quite a bit more expensive. I noticed with the spokes that they are not metal, they are made out of evidently carbon fiber, so I'll just give you a quick macro shot here. They seem to be quite strong. I haven't had any issues in terms of damage or breakage. The plastics are quite thick around the propeller guards, so I think you're going to have a lot less problems in terms of crashing and damage to the props than you would do compared to something like the Mini 4K. It's something to think about. There's always compromises with these different models, but my overall initial impressions are mostly positive. I do like the form factor and very pleased with the video quality, but there's quite a few firmware updates they've been bringing out for this. There are a few bugs. I will be doing a full review on this once I've had enough time to put it through its paces. There are links down below if you want to help support the channel, and as usual, thanks for watching.